Hello friends, Tony here, welcome. In this video, I'm going to work with Claude Code and Laravel. I have prepared a project here, which is a simple project, just I run Laravel new without a starter kit, as you can see. And we're going to work with Claude Code and especially with the agent teams, which is right now is experimental. So you need to enable this. And what I want to show you also here, we have compare with sub-agents. So sub-agents and agent teams, both agent teams and sub-agents let you parallelize work, but they operate differently. And what I like is communication here. So with agent teams, teammates message each other, so have communication between them. And to enable, you need to go to settings.json file in .cloud folder in your machine and add this Claude Code experimental agent teams, the one. And you have an example of a prompt here, but we're going to work with the Laravel. So I'm going to open here the terminal, and yeah, for better visualization is good to have Tmax installed. I have installed and I have open here the Tmax, and I'm going to say Cloud. I am in the agent example, and let me just zoom in this. Use this and all future MCP servers. Okay, so here we are. Let's add the prompt here, and I'm going to hit enter. So build a task management system, span a team, schema agent, logic agent, and view agent, and coordinate between yourselves to ensure variable names in the controller match the blade template. So this is a beauty here. And the agent one, which is a schema agent, is going to create the task migration with title description and status, and the model with soft deletes, and a factory and run the migrations once defined. The second agent, which is the logic agent, is going to create, now here I have named logic agent, you can name it what you like, create a resourceful task controller, define the web routes, implement the CRUD logic, and ensure request validation is handled. And then view agent, which is the third agent, create the blade templates, index, create, edit, use intelligent for, use a clean model layout, and ensure the UI handles validation error messages. And yes, I'm going to read again this because I like this. So coordinate between yourselves to ensure variable names in the controller match the blade templates. Okay, I'm going to come here and say true. Okay, accept here. Let's go and read the Laravel Boost. Searching for 3 patterns, reading files here. Okay, good. I have a clear picture of the project conventions. Let me create the team and spawn all the agents. Okay, so it's going to create task migration model with soft deletes and factory, which is for one. Second, create controller, form request, and web routes. Third one, create blade templates. And now we have a schema agent in here in this one. As you can see, this is a schema agent. As you can see, we have here one teammate. Now we have 2 teammates here, logic agent and schema agent. And now we have 3 teammates, schema agent in here, view agent in here, and logic agent in here. Now schema and controller are done, views are still being created. Let me check what's been done so far. Okay, schema looks great. Let me check the form request. And form requests are done. Now, as you can see, schema agent, I'll wait for any new assignments from the team lead, which is this main lead here, main agent here. All 3 views are created. Let me review them and verify the full system. Okay, all 3 tasks are completed. Okay, so just we need to accept this. Let me do a quick smoke test to make sure everything works end to end. And now 3 agents shut down. Schema, model, factory request, controller, routes, views. task management system complete. And we need to go to this URL. So let's copy this URL and come here, paste it. Okay, I'm going to close this now, and let's run the npm run dev. And here we have tasks. We don't have any tasks, so let's go and create. Okay, let's add something. Let's create a task. Task created successfully. We have edit and delete. Let's go and edit, update, and update it. We can delete, of course. Let's delete it. Everything works. Also, if I open, let's close this and open this with a code editor. And let's just open the web routes for now. We have resource task controller, and here's the task controller: index, create, store, edit, update, destroy. And yeah, you can go and check also the task model and migration, but it's okay. I just wanted to show you how you can work with multiple agents on cloud. If you like, now this is going to spend more tokens. So be careful when you work with multiple agents. But how you can do is, this is the way. Now, if you like such a video, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, share with your friends, and see you in the next one. All the best. Thank you very much.